Hi everyone, today we'll learn about calendar resources. We'll see how we can add buildings, features and other resources so that users can book shared resources in your organization. The very first step is to add the details of the building. To add building details, we'll click on Buildings and Resources icon. We want to work with resource management. We'll click Open under Resource Management. We'll click on Add Building. We'll click on the plus icon to add new building, and then we'll give the details of the building. Name is our office. Description, I'll give it as main office. Floor 1, 2, 3. To give the address, I'll click on the pencil icon and select my country. In my case it is India. Street address 139 MC Colony. There you go. I'll give the pin code. Yes, everything's fine. Everything seems perfect. I'll click on done. I'll click on add building. I don't know why I'm seeing the alert sign here. I'll just click on edit building. Click on this pencil sign to see everything is fine. Yeah, everything fine. Done. Update building. There we go. Everything is perfect. Now once we've set up the building, once we've added the building, we'll switch to resource view. It is necessary that you always create a building first, because you would need a building ID to associate a resource with a particular building. So now that we have added building, let's now add features to a resource. For that, we'll click on this icon with 3 horizontal lines and a small pencil, and then add features, and then feature name, I'll give it feature name of Google Meet hardware. Feature type video conferencing, and then save. Once we've added features, we'll create a resource. To create a resource, we'll click on this plus icon in the yellow circle, and then we'll fill in the necessary details. Category meeting space is fine. Here's our office. For I want to set up a resource which is on floor 2 for me, so I'll select the floor section. This is an optional field. You can give the position of the floor where it is located, so it can be east west. So my room is located in west on the floor, so I'll give it west. Resource name, I'll give it as conference room. Capacity, it can hold up to 25%. Features, we added a feature, Google Meet hardware, so we can only see that option, so we'll select that. User visible description, here we will fill the description of the room that is visible to users in the room details, like phone extension maybe 4119. Perfect. And then I'll click on add resource. Here we go, we've successfully added a building and a resource to it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope now you know how to add features, building and resources. That's all for today. See you till next time. Thanks for watching.